Hey guys, welcome to Raja Makes Money. How are all my money makers doing today? And winner, winner, chicken dinner! We finally have a winning day, but of course, after hours, it had to get all screwed up, but we'll talk about it, what's happening with Lucid, of course, after hours. I actually think it's a pretty good thing. I don't know, I think the market's a little overreacting. I think it will bounce back. Lucid has been very resilient. It's bounced back tremendously, staying, pretty good here. So, I'm not too worried about it. Like I said, we'll talk about it and take a look. But hey, at least as of today for the week, we are up a little bit. We were up almost 300,000 for a little while today. Almost had all our gains from last week and this week back. But still, I'm happy we're back up today. But unfortunately, probably tomorrow we're going to have a little bit of a hiccup or a roller coaster, but it was a good sign because today Lucid was actually down a point and a half, 2 points today, and it came all the way back and it was actually up as much as a point and a half. So like I said, I like it. I don't think it's going anywhere. I think the new news out on it is a total overreaction once again, but as you know, if Lucid's, with our account size and everything, if Lucid's down 2 or 3 points tomorrow, it'll be a $500,000-$600,000 swing down. The good news is it's not like the other day when it went all the way to $38 from the news. So this news isn't hitting it as bad. Only down about 5% after hours. And at least we finally had an up day and got a little money back up. And it's actually recovered from where it was after hours, or how low it's actually been after hours. So the good news is it's looking good. The bad news is after hours, it's now down. It was down about 3 points. Now 260, 270. It's bouncing all over the place. So I think this is very good news. I don't understand at all why the market would be going down right now. But the reason it's down is Lucid is doing a second offering from a private individual for $1.75 billion that is up in 2026 with a couple of other little things in there. But I think it's great that they're not diluting the stock and doing stuff to hurt the stock. They went out to raise capital, did something I think that actually benefits shareholders. So I do not know. To me, this is no different than like GameStop. GameStop went out, diluted the stock, sold their stock, and to raise capital, and AMC and all those companies. Lucid's doing the total opposite, so it doesn't affect shareholders. It's a note for 2026. I can't even think 4 or 5 years down the road. Who cares right now? But a little market reaction, this shorts are playing, but I think these shorts are going to get slammed pretty hard again. But unfortunately, like I said, when you have 200,000 shares, if it goes down $2.50 tomorrow, we will have another $500,000 dip. So at least we got a little rally today. Who knows? But the Santa Claus rally continues. Markets were all up today. Third straight day of gains, so that is very good to see. GameStop today, widening losses down after hours. I mean, this is the thing that makes no sense. GameStop lost $1.39 for the quarter, $1.39 a share for 3 months. More than expected. Revenue's up, that's great, but they're losing more money than ever. Some of it was to add to inventory. The fourth quarter of the year is the only quarter they really make any money. But to me, they're losing all this money. The stock was a $10 stock, and it's been 400. To me, this is the one that should be down 50, 60 points. Last time they had earnings like this, they were down 50, 60 points, and then the next day they were up 50s. It's insane. But this is a stock. I think the shorts are just really, really afraid of GameStop right now, or the longs, and who knows. But that's what's going on in the markets. Apple today, all-time new high once again, just plugging away. Crazy. It just keeps going. Cryptocurrency is pretty much flat, been bouncing around. Our Coinbase account is at $110,000, holding steady since yesterday. I've been up and down a little bit, but pretty much the same. But it's like I said, you never know with these companies and news how people will react. So, but yeah, overall, good day in the market. I'm very happy. So Salvatore says, what happened to Lucid? That's what happened to it. And Tracy D says, oh, all that green. I love it. I was like, I wanted to be up. I said to myself, I go, if we're up 300 grand today and we're at 7.5 million, I'm going to go live again tonight. But we didn't do it, so I'm not going up to the casino. Armand says Tesla numbers came out for China November sales and they missed. I do not know, but Tesla today was up during the day, had a good day, and down a little bit after hours, but been holding in there. Somebody said there's rumors, and I've said this too for a while. There's rumors of Tesla with a stock split. Who knows with him what he will do, but if he wants to do something big or he really wants to move his stock again, but he doesn't seem to. He seems to do stuff to hurt his stock more, and I don't know. Makes no sense. I'm sure Kathy Woods would love him to do it, and the problem is that the contracts, even if you went out and you bought like a $1,500 a year from now, it's so pricey. You really have to move, but my guess is Tesla will probably keep moving and go back up here soon. But I don't know. I think at a 349 P&E, it's in a pretty good position. More money. It keeps talking about PayPal. Those always do good in the holiday season. So where is it? There you go. There's more money. It says, Raji, get into PayPal. But yeah, had a good day today, and PayPal keeps going up. But you have to remember, PayPal is way near its lows. Year to date, PayPal doesn't look that good. It has a good P&E that it's making money, but I don't know if PayPal is this is the right time to get into it. It may be a little premature. I don't know. To me, like I said, it's near its lows. I think you have to really look at it. It's bounced back, but everything's bounced up. I think the only stock that hasn't really rallied in the Santa Claus rally is Lucid. So because of the news on Monday, but. Like I said, the other thing that I do also that's encouraging, think about it like this. If they had a big SEC problem or something was about to go down, nobody would be giving them $1.7 billion right now. That would be a very, very high risk. So that's what I think about that. But like I said, good update on the markets today. Nice to finally have a green day after 3 red days. But hopefully everything will keep going and stay strong in the markets. We'll have to see tomorrow how Lucid shakes out. Hopefully people come to their senses and get on track here and see what's happening. But who knows? I don't know. It's hard to say. Like every day it's a new surprise. Every day I think we're finally going to have something good going on. Rod says, Roku for the win today. Congratulations to Kathy. Yeah, finally Roku had a great day. 18% up today. Be interesting if that one can hold. This is another one. It's been as high as 490. Was near its lows until today. And of course Kathy Woods. Everybody just thinks she's the greatest. I can't figure it out. Kathy Woods should just buy a Lucid with me. She'll probably be doing a lot better. But ARK today was up like 2% or something, 3%. So she's had a strong rally back from her lows of 13% up in the last week. But still, year to date, she is way down. Started the year at 142, and she's at 103, so down 40% for the year. So not too good. Andrew says, how much was Raja up today? Just got here. I was up $235,000. Not a big premium. I also was looking at rolling out some stuff. There's about a $1.30 spread between the 48s for this week and next week. I'll probably stay around the 48s. I like them. I don't see any reason to roll down, even with this bad news. Unfortunately, the further a stock is away from the strike price, the less the premium. So the premiums will definitely drop. You only have 2 days left, so there's about 60 cents. So it'll probably drop 30. So no matter what tomorrow, if Lucid is down, $2, 250, 30 cents of that, we're gonna have a $500,000 down day. Nothing I can do about it. Just have to be a big boy and handle it. But like I said, we're building this piggy bank. And we've got $872,000 in this piggy bank for the day Lucid is above $48 and $49. We could roll down if I wanted to, to like a 46 or a 47, and forego a little money. But I have confidence. I think stay strong. Let's take the big win, and let's bank. Like I said, this is a progressive jackpot. It doesn't matter if it hits today, tomorrow, next week. Lucid's not going to $5. Lucid's not going out of business. I mean, God, they just raised $1.7 billion that they don't have to pay back for 5 years. This is the best news I've heard. So, like I said, that's what's going on with Lucid, and we'll have to see. It's going to be an interesting day tomorrow, but, Lucid seems to keep bouncing back. Like, the news comes out, especially after hours or before hours, and doesn't do good. But then it comes on strong, and even like today, it was down again, and finally, I think people woke up. Like this is like you have to remember. Like, did somebody just forget? This is the car of the year. This car goes further than any other car on a battery charge. Like, this is the real deal. People have to remember that. So, who knows where it will end up, but it will definitely make for another exciting rest of the week for us. So, who knows? We'll probably have a little dip tomorrow, and then maybe a little Friday bounce. You know, this one out of nowhere could be up 10 points. So, that's all. Just keep it going. Keep it doing good. But hey guys, that's what I got for you for Raja Makes Money today. Hope you guys all did good in the market. I think the Santa Claus rally will continue for the next week. It sounds like the new COVID stuff is not as bad as expected if you have the booster shot, so that's good news. And hopefully everything gets on track, and we see a little bounce in Lucid tomorrow, and it is what it is. But thank you guys for joining me for Raja Makes Money, and I'll see everybody tomorrow, same time, same place. Hope you guys have a winning day in the markets.